Hi everybody, thank you so much for checking out my video, and I want to introduce myself and beg y'all to check out my channel. I'm Lucretia of Lucretia's Life and Style, and I am a fashionista, a bargain shopper extraordinaire, and I want y'all to check out my life and style. I want to show y'all like some of my hauls, some of the stuff that I get from stores, how I get the prices that I get them at. Like I want to show y'all how I get my sales and everything like that. I'm a tall girl, so I have like an issue with finding clothes to fit me the way that I like them to fit, as far as like length and just all over, because I can't have short arms or nothing like that. So really it's an issue, and I want to show y'all like where I get my tall girl clothes from, how I get deals on those, and I get some real nice stuff at some real good prices. So just because we tall, or just because even if we like plus size, because I just lost a little bit of weight and I was shopping in the plus size section like just last year, but you could still find nice clothes for plus size girls, tall girls at good prices. Like we don't got to pay an arm and a leg to look nice, and we don't got to be walking around here with clothes that don't fit us the way that they supposed to, just because we not trying to pay an arm and a leg. You know what I'm saying? So check me out. I can show y'all how I get what I get, and I can also show you how I shop for my son, because my son, he's in a wheelchair, and when I shop for him, I got to make sure I get him clothes that are comfortable, because he's sitting majority of the day. So I got to make sure, you know what I'm saying, like his pants is not digging into his stomach, his shirts are comfortable, just stuff like that. And I can show y'all where I get his clothes from, how I get deals on his stuff, and just overall I want y'all to check out like how we roll and everything like that. I'm saying this, we have fun. He's into fashion too, my little baby. He's only 7, but you know, we some stylish people around here. So I want to show y'all what we be getting, how we be getting it. I just want y'all to stay tuned. So I want to show y'all a little bit of what y'all might expect coming up, and just make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all like this video, comment, let me know how you feel about it, let me know what you think, and just let me know something, let me know anything. And subscribe so you can see what I got coming up next, because I got some stuff for y'all. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. So look, I hope y'all intrigued. I hope y'all want to come back for more. Check me out, see what other videos I got in store for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some shoe hauls, of course some clothes hauls. I got clothes on the way in the mail right now, so it's about to be lit. Like I'm gonna show y'all everything that I get, show y'all how it fit me, and I'm gonna give y'all the real, like what is not good. Don't waste your money, you know what I'm saying? But please check me out. Make sure y'all like this video, comment, let me know what's up, and subscribe. I will talk to y'all later. All right, peace, see you later.